His soul is gone to the Lord. The message is for you. The message is for me. Therefore, let me ask you the question. Are you a wait? Be prepared to reign with God in his eternal glory, or tear, who at the end of the day will be bundled into eternal hell, where there will be gnashing of teeth in an everlasting fire. Today, brothers and sisters, we are here gathered to celebrate the worthy life of a child of God, Otunba Subomi Balogun, who was born on 9th March 1934. God. Today, we can say one thing which marked out this man was his sense of gratitude to God. He was a committed Christian who was appreciative of the grace of God in his life. For him, all of his achievements in life were credited to the benevolence of God and his grace. He had touched lives. He had impacted the memory of Otunba Subomi Balogun. He was a quintessential personality, elegant in appearance, beautiful in character, doyen of the banking and finance industry, an incorruptible Nigerian, highly refined, compassionate, very strict and firm, but extremely humble.
Baba, we all know, was a prodigious intellectual, having attended Ijebu College and the prestigious London School of Economics. Baba came back and served as a lawyer in the Ministry of Justice and then joined the banking industry, from where he ventured into the capital market, where he distinguished himself as the baron of the capital market. Baba's company evolved into one of the first indigenous banks, and Baba grew that bank and became the pioneer and role model of entrepreneurial banking. Otunba, the Grand Master, as he's often called, his life and times are an amazing testimonial of several accomplishments and service to humanity. He was a big philanthropist. We call him a philanthropist par excellence. He supported the health and the education sector. Baba donated a whole estate to the health sector and had the UCH, University College Ibadan, adopt it and begin to manage it. Baba donated generously. As busy as Baba was, he remained synonymous with the very rich culture and tradition of his Ijebu heritage, and in him, the Otunba Tunweshe and the Olori Omo Oba of Ijebu land.
Otunba Subomi Balogun was an institution in the Nigerian banking sector and a model for various generations of bankers, lawyers, and everyone engaged in intellectual business with our nation, crafting solutions to our myriad of challenges. But he was much more than that. He was everything our alien world desired. A philanthropist extraordinaire. Departing from this world at 89 is a gift only a few have benefited from. So this is more of a gratitude to the Almighty God for bringing such a noble person to our world and changing the course of our history. You, our dear people of Ijebu land, Ogun State and the nation as a whole, we must be grateful for the personality you have raised for the nation and the world. He not only immortalized your industrial spirit as the founder of the flourishing First City Merchant Bank, which we all know as FCMB, but the world is going to remain grateful to him even much more longer than he lived. So we are here to celebrate life. As he peacefully departs from this earthly realm at the remarkable age of 89, we lift our voices in prayer, offering our heartfelt appreciation for the profound impact he made during his time amongst us. In this moment of farewell, We ask for your divine comfort and solace to embrace the loved ones and friends of Otunba Balogun. May they find strength in the shared memories, and may their hearts be filled with gratitude for the privilege of knowing and being taught by such an extraordinary individual. May Otunba find eternal rest in your heavenly abode, and may his legacy continue to inspire generations to come. May God grant the family the fortitude to bear the irreparable loss. Thank you, and
Once again.